Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at a connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, I'm a little bit concerned about this swelling sea, because I've never heard of it. It feels like it's just going to be a movement of water, just like these two. But then we've also got avalanche, that is a movement of snow. We've got grands, that could be grand rapids. Outpouring. I mean, I would use outpouring as a display of emotion rather than water, but it could mean a movement of water, I suppose. So I'm a bit concerned. But we'll come back to that, as long as I can think of other things. There's a lot of words in the grid that seem to be plurals for no good reason. Why is this not just confection and document and download? Files, downloads, documents, desktop. They're just icons on a phone or computer, aren't they? Oh, they run away. That's very frustrating, because I don't know which one to leave out and I don't know which word to put in. Presumably music is the one to put in, but I don't know which one to leave out. I suppose we don't need files and documents, do we? Let's leave out files, because that can go with saws. Oh, of course, those are the folders, and then we've got files, saws, and drills, and that's why they're all in plurals, because if they were singular, then it would be more obvious that file is not in the green group. That's annoying. I'm annoyed with myself that I fell into that trap. What are we going to do now, though? What's the fourth one? Is it confections or routers? Confections are sweets. Routers are things you use to connect to the internet. I'm assuming routers is a tool, so let's put these 4 in. Yeah, they're woodworking tools. Not an expert on woodworking, but I suspected that router or router would be in that group. Okay. Or what next? How is confections going to link to anything else? Confections are sweets. Outpouring can be sweetness? I'm not convinced by that. A torrent, an avalanche, and a tidal wave. I mean, they feel like they go together. But what do they go together with? I mean, it feels like it's going to be swelling sea, but I'm really not convinced. I suppose we better try it. It's one away. I thought it would be. I mean, it can't be. I mean, maybe it is confections and I've just never heard of it. The trouble is, I don't know what links the other for. Outpouring, hurdle. I guess I better just try grands, as in Grand Rapids. That's also one away, and we are down to our last life. Oh dear. I don't know how outpouring and hurdle link, so maybe hurdle is the one that, or maybe outpouring is the one that goes in this group. Confections. I mean, why is it pluralised for no good reason? Now that we know it's not in the woodworking tools group, there's no reason for it to be pluralised. So it must be pluralised for a reason rather. Confections. Grands. I mean, it could be these 4. There's no guarantee that when I was one away, I took out the correct one. A torrent of grief, an outpouring of emotion. I mean, okay, maybe it's these 4 then. It is. They're just inundations. But all of them are to do with natural phenomena apart from outpouring. So that's just a bit of a weird group. Anyway, what links these? Rhymes for New York Times games. That's why it has to be plural. I did think Wordle and Hurdle sounded the same. Oh, strands and grands. Connections and confections. And what's the other one? Oh, spelling bee for swelling sea. That is such a weird group. To be fair, I do enough of these games that I should have worked it out. But it's still a weird group because we're not very good rhymes. Anyway, we got there in the end, lost 3 lives, but we just about got over the line with our last life remaining, so it's not a failure. Let me know how you got on with this one. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.